guys, today we have 5 surprise eggs and we're going to open them and see what's inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Green, pink, yellow, orange, blue. Okay guys, we're ready to open the first one. Wow, there's some dinosaurs. I'm going to open them and see what's inside. Wow. Here's Triceratops. He has 2 giant horns and 1 baby horn. Here's Stegosaurus. He has plates and spikes. Here's Ceratosaurus. He has a baby horn and a little baby tongue. Here's Velociraptor. He has claws and teeth. Here's Spinodon. He has spine. He has a spine and a longest tail. Okay guys, now we're going to open the second egg. Now we're going to smash it and see what's inside. Oh, smash! Oh. We got some more dinosaurs. It's an Ankylosaurus. He has a club on his tail and things on his face. Here's a Brachiosaurus. He has a crest on his head and a long neck. Here's an Edaphosaurus. He has a spine on his back. Here's a Quetzalcoatlus. He has a crest on his head and a beak and wings. Here's a Pachycephalosaurus. He has a rock on his head and things behind it. Now we're going to open the third egg. Here's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. He has sharp teeth and a long tail. Here's a Carnotaurus. He has tiny arms and gray horns. Here's a Parasaurolophus. He has a long crest on his head and a long tail. Here's a little Ceratosaurus. He has a baby horn and little body. Here's a pterodactyl. He has a long crest on his head and a sharp beak and a tail. Okay guys, we're going to open the number 4 egg. Here's a Dilophosaurus. He has things on his head and sharp teeth. Here's a Diceratops. He has a large frill and sharp horns with no baby horn. Here's a Baryonyx. He has a fish in his hand and a sharp teeth with a strong jaw and a long tail. Here's a Protoceratops. He has a frill on his face and a sharp beak. Here's a Spinosaurus. He has sharp teeth and a spine. Okay guys, we're going to open the last one and see what's inside. Here's a Triceratops. He has horns and a frill. Here's a Saltosaurus. He has little baby spikes on his back and a long neck. Here's a Styracosaurus. He has a large frill with large horns on it and a baby horn. Here's an Apatosaurus. He has a long neck and a long tail. Here's an Argentinosaurus. He has a big body and long legs. I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.